Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. Creation of Ebube Agu has been bringing a lot of ideology, and a lot of people have been talking about it. Some said, "You're bringing Ebube Agu. Have you given his a Lego back in? Is that what we want in Southeast?" A lot of the groups are talking, and some of them have started, imputing because whether you like it or yes, Governor Hope Uzodinma and all the governors of Southeastern region are the chief security officers of those states. But yes, there's what we call the stakeholders as well, who also are the people who elected them. They have a say in however way the governors are governing or leading them. And they have started talking about the issue of Ebube Agu. Well, a quick one now. A lot of persons have been saying maybe, just maybe, this issue of creation of Ebube Agu may have a synergy with Nnamdi Kanu. But we're going to discuss all that in a moment. But before we do so, like you subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button beside it. You will see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Okay, let's start with the synergy. Then we'll look at what the likes of INC, the likes of Interstate, Intersociety, ADF, and others has got to say about the creation of Ebube Agu and where they are coming against it. Well, let's start with what people have been saying. A quick one. There have been an undertone going on that there may just be a synergy between Ebube Agu security outfit and Eastern security outfit. They said because if anything goes out there and there seems to be a record of success, they will say, well, the ESN have been able to squash this particular activity. The ESN have been able to block the, catch criminals and take them away and all that. And some persons are saying, if you ask which of the ESN, is it ESN Eastern Security Network or ESN Ebube Agu Security Network? So that way, if you want to say go after the ESN, are you going after Ebube Agu Security Network or Eastern Security Network? Don't forget that as at now, Ebube Agu Security Network have no coloration, has no just a code name for the now. But let's hear what other organizations have said. It said the Igbo Development Foundation, that's ADF, described the setting up of Ebube Agu as a good idea, though belated, but said it cannot be believed until they saw their seriousness. Okay, ADF noted that it was the same way the governors had promised to set up a regional security outfit in February 2020 after an email Ohanaeze resolution at Nike Lake, Enugu, but nothing happened 1 year down the line. The group spokesperson, Abia Onyeke, said, "We can't take them serious until they start doing something concrete. For now, they are merely playing to the gallery." Onyeke added that it was not just enough to pronounce on the regional security outfit without a law banning open grazing. There should be a law banning open grazing of cattle in Southeast. The law should be passed in 5 state houses of assembly. To orally make an announcement banning open grazing shows lack of commitment on the part of the governors. They are being smart. Again, we would like to know their logistic preparations. Where are their vehicles and other operational facilities and equipment, like in the case of Amateco in Yoruba land? Let the Southeast governors go and use the draft bill prepared by ADF in 2017 to make binding laws against open grazing. If they fail to do that, then it exposes them further as unserious people. Respondent also said the greatest challenge is now how to manage the Ebube Agu and the Eastern Security Network (ESN) of the indigenous people of Biafra (IPOB) already operating in the area. They expressed concern that having parallel security outfits for the zone was a frightful idea, especially as the ESN has taken shape and also gained street credibility. For such people, Ebube Agu of the governors was a mere pacification move, as Abuja-based lawyer Ozioma Izuora urged that there was nothing like Ebube Agu until the state's houses of assembly legislated the security outfit into being. It does not exist at the moment. This was not how Amatekun was established. There has to be enabling laws first. She also advised the governors to invite the leadership of ESN, noting that the IPOB has shown leadership in establishing the ESN. Bam. set to go. Governors should eat the humble pie and acknowledge that and draw them in so they can merge. In fact, leadership of ESN should be expanded with appointees of the governors, while Ebube Agu should embark on training so that they can rise above mere vigilante groups. Easy or I said, this one is finishing. Regardless, former Nigerian convoy to Singapore, Nonye Rijas Okpara hailed the governors for the re-establishment of Ebube Agu. Rajis Okpara in a statement said the establishment of Ebube Agu was a welcome development. Their bold decision resolved to work as a team and in unity is a welcome development. Nothing and no one can stop a vision that its time has come. The people of Southeast have long desired to see this action and the unity of purpose among our governors. It's in unity that God commands his blessings, he said. He said the formation of Ebube Agu, though long overdue, was an action in the right direction, seeing that terrorism and banditry have become the order of the day in Nigeria. Their recent activities in the southeast is very worrisome. This new development has made our people excited, hopeful, and grateful to our governors for putting aside their political differences for the common good of the people. However, to achieve their vision, the southeast governors will need the support cooperation of relevant stakeholders to ensure the fight against terrorism and banditry in the region is successful. I would therefore like to use this opportunity to plead to everyone, especially our political leaders and the federal government, to give them necessary support and encouragement to enable them to succeed in their mission. This is not the time for fault-finding, criticizing of leadership, or doubting their intentions. In the same manner, former chairman of Nigerian Electric Regulatory Commission, NEC, Sam Amadi, dismissed the decision of the governors as feeble, both in quality of thinking and political will displayed by their communique. He said there was so much hesitation, hedging, and prevarication on the part of the governors, yet they had no law backing the outfit and body to implement the anti-open grazing they mounted. Sadly, every day, these governors prove indigenous people of Biafra right to say ESN is our only hope. I don't want ESN. I wanted a state-regulated but effective security outfit that structure that will make it impossible for communities to be attacked in Ebonyi. Well, all of them have spoken, some for, some against. Let's meet in a conversation. Honestly, this one had the one in the lawyer, the young lady, Abuja had said that the way it is going, that they should merge ESN, they should call ESN to bring ESN in, allow ESN to become a stakeholder, while the Ebube Agu go for training so they can work in synergy. In fact, they are saying that ESN should expand, while another person is saying that the way the governors are going is a nice one. So, but the way they are going about it is even making it look as if ESN is more better, and people are already giving their kudos and credibility to ESN. But he would prefer that they should back Ebube Agu. ESN, the two of them are ESN, if you check it very well. ESN, Ebube Agu Network, Security Network, ESN. Then Eastern Security Network, ESN. The two of them, ESN. So when I say ESN, maybe I'll say ESN, Ebube Agu, the ESN, Eastern Security Network, to know the difference. Well, that's not going to wrap it up. They seem to be having the same acronym. Let's listen.